Hi, I'm Brian and I'll be doing question 9. All right, question 9. A cylinder containing 15 liters of helium gas is at a pressure of 165 atm. Is said to be used to fill party balloons. Each balloon must be filled with to a volume of 2 liters at a pressure of 1.1 atm. What is the maximum number of balloons that can be inflated? Assume that the gas in the cylinder is the same temperature as the inflated balloons. And then it gives you a little hint here. It says the empty cylinder will contain helium at 1.1 atm. So looking at this equation, here's everything they give us. We got 15 liters of helium at 165 atm, and we want to put 2 liters of the helium in each balloon at 1.1 atm. We want to know exactly how many balloons we can fill up using this amount of helium. So immediately the first equation that comes to mind for me is Boyle's law. Boyle's law is just, as you can see here, PV1 equals PV2. And this is just the ideal gas law. Should be pretty familiar with this one. So just to kind of explain what I'm doing here in detail before I get started, I just drew out a little bit of a graphic to explain. So we have 15 liters and this is at 165 atm. And using Boyle's law, I will convert the entire amount here of gas to a constant of 1.1 atm at X number of liters. Because as you know, you have to be following this ratio. And if you want to decrease the volume or decrease the pressure, you must also increase the volume by the ratio established by this equation here. So yeah, once we do that, then it should be pretty easy to divide it into segments of 2 liters, which will be equal to the number of balloons. Because for each balloon we expect 2 liters at 1.1 atm. So yeah. So hopefully that made sense, but we're gonna move on here. So the initial pressure we start out with 165 atm at 15 liters, and then we move on to 1.1 atm at a volume that we'll have to solve for. So from there, you plug everything in, you multiply these two, divide by 1.1, you get the volume of 2,250 liters. And then from there, we're now at this stage in the process. So this turns out to be 2,250 liters. From there, we divide by 2 liters because this is the same number that's going to be in each balloon. So we get 1,100 balloons.